our class. All of you close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes, dear students, slowly open your eyes. Today we'll learn about the grammar. How to pronounce the words. It is on your textbook, that is page number 60. All of you open your page number 60. That is activity sheet 1. The topic is pronunciation. Some words we can pronounce it same but they have different spellings. Only the pronunciation is same but they have different spellings. Yes, for example, here I am written some words. S-O-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. We pronounce both the words same only, but it has a different spelling and different meaning. S-O-N, sun means maga. S-U-N, sun means Surya. Yes, but we pronounce it same only. Both we pronounce it as a sun only, but they have the different spelling and different meaning. Next, W-R-I-T-E, right? R-I-G-H-T, right. Both we pronounce it as a right only. Here W-R-I-T, right, means writing. Bareyodu. W-R-I-T-E means right, means bareyodu. And R-I-G-H-T, right, it's a side, left, right. Yes, right andre ನಾವು ಬಲಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. W-R-I-T-E ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡದ್ದು ಶಬ್ದದ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ and the spellings is different and also meaning is also different. Next, coming towards the meat. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. What is meat? Tiger eats meat. Yes. Non-vegetarian eats meat. Meat means mamsa. And here M-E-E-T, meat, means beti maduvudu. But we both the words pronounce it as a meat only. Meat. Today you meet me. Yes, meat andre beti aguvodu. And M-E-A-T, meat andre it's a mamsa. He eats meat very much. Yes. Next, here another word is there. Flower, floor. Flower, floor means both words starts from the F only, but flower means who? F-L-O-U-R. Floor means what? Corn flour, wheat flour. Yes. Floor means heat too. Flower means who, but they have the different meaning and also see the spelling. Flower spelling is F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. And the floor spelling is F-L-O-U-R. Both we pronounce it in the same manner only, but they have the different spelling. Spelling is different and meaning is also different. Next, coming to the last one, C-C. S-E-A-C, S-E-E-C. Both words you can pronounce it C only, but S-E-A-C means ocean, samudra. S-E-E-C means noduvudu, nodu. Both we pronounce it same only C, but these words have the different spelling. See here, S-E-A-S-E-E. The third spelling is change. Third letter. Yes, S-E, S-E. Same, but the last one is change. If the one word, one letter is also changed, but we can pronounce it as the same only. Both the words are, we pronounce it C only. Don't make it confused. Be clear about it. C, C. C andre ocean and C andre look. Noduvudu. Understood? So, when you learn to pronounce the words, that time you can need to understand the meaning as well as spelling also. In English, there are so many words are there, but it pronounced same only, but the meaning and the spelling is different. Understood? Yes, now shall we move towards here? Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box given above. Here they have given the sum, fill in the blanks. What you need to do is by choosing these clues, by choosing these words, you need to fill in the blanks. So what is first one? There is a dash in the vase. There is a dash in the vase. What is there in the vase? Vase means andreno? Vase means like a one pot. What you keep it in the pot? Vase means already you know. What do you keep it in the pot? What do you write it here? Yes, the answer is first one. I am writing here only answer flower. Isn't it? In the vase always we need to keep flowers. Have you seen the vases? Flower pot. Vase means flower pot. ಹೂಗಳನ್ನ ಇಡುವ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ವೇಸ್. Yes. Next, I make cakes with sugar, dash and eggs. Do you know how they prepare cakes? Do you know how to prepare cake? Which material we use to prepare cake? What are the materials? Any idea? We use sugar. Yes. We use eggs. Next, main thing, what we need to prepare cake? I make cake with the sugar. Next, flour. Flour. Yes, it may be corn flour, maida flour, rice flour, wheat flour. Yes, I make Greek cakes with the sugar, flour and eggs. To prepare cakes, main material is flour. Hittu, or in Hindi we call it as a atta. Yes. Next, sugar. We need sugar and flour and eggs. We can make both two types of cakes without using eggs and with using eggs. Yes. So see the difference. There is a flower in the vase. There is a flower in the vase. I make cakes with the sugar, flour and eggs. I told you these meanings before starting the class. First only I told you what flower means what, flour means what. Yes. Next, coming towards the second, fill in the blanks. A ship is sailing on the, where you can the ship sailing? Sailing means ತೇಲೋದು, ಹಡಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? A ship is sailing on the sea. Yes, sea, ocean. Next, I can dash the ship coming into the port. I can dash the ship coming into the port. So, in the first page, what they have given? See, and also similar, there is a similar word is also there. See, see, I can see. Yes, a ship is sailing on the sea. I can see the ship coming into the port. ಆ ಹಡಗು ಬಂದರಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದನ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದರು, ಹಡಗು ಬಂದರಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಿ. Yes, see. Next, third one. Richa likes to dash letters. Richa likes to dash letters. What we need letters? What will you do? Write. Richa likes to write letters. Yes, Richa likes to write letters. I use dash hand more often than my left. I use dash hand more often than my left. As I told you, left, right. These are the sides. So here we written right means what word will come here next? Which word will come here? Right hand. Yes. Right letters, right hand. Both we pronounce it same only, right. But the spelling and the meaning is different. If instead of writing the right here, if you write this RIGHT, right? If you write here means, is it correct? No, it's wrong. RIGHT, right letter means wrong. The spelling is wrong. Pronunciation is correct. No doubt about that. Pronunciation is correct, but the spelling, see here. RIGHT means it is a side, left or right side. Or else, if you write it here, WRIT, is it correct? No. Right hand. What right hand? It makes correct sentence? No. So, try to understand. Always you should write it here, WRITE, right letters. Letter baritivalla now. Yes, WRITE. Next, RIGHT, right hand. These words are correct. Yes. Next, comes to the fourth one. I want you to dash my teacher. I want you to dash my teacher. Which word you fill it here? Flower, floor is over. Next, see is over. Right is over. Next, only two words are remaining here. One is meet and son. I want you to son my teacher. It makes correct sentence? No. So then which word you need to write it here? I want you to meet. 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 My teacher. I want you to meet my teacher. ನನಗೆ ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Yes, I want you to meet my teacher. Next, exact same pronunciation. Which word comes in the next line? My mother thinks it is not too good to eat. My mother thinks it is not too good to eat. What? What is not good to eat? Meat. 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 Eating meat is not good to eat. My mother thinks. Yes, meat. I told you the meaning. Meat means what? Meat means what? MEET. Understood? Next, there is again last one, fifth one. The dash shines in the sky. Who shines in the sky? Who you see in the sky? Yes, it's the sun. Yes, UN, sun. Yes, UN, sun. The sun shines in the sky. Next, Sanjeev is Mr. Verma's. Sanjeev is Mr. Verma's son. SON. Don't make it confused. Don't write SON here. If you write SON shines in the sky. Sun spelling, what is sun spelling? You must write it in SUN only. If you write SON means it's wrong. The sun shines in the sky. Sanjeev is Mr. Verma's son. Son andre maga, as I told you. SUN Surya. Clear? Understood? The meanings and the pronunciation of these words? Yes. Dear students, today's homework is complete page number 60. You need to complete this page along with the answers. Okay? We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.